Microsoft Copilot tutorial, how to use Microsoft Copilot. Hey guys, welcome back. Everyone needs a quick assist in their day-to-day tasks, and Microsoft Copilot is here to provide exactly that. That could be in the sphere of writing, creating, chatting, shopping, organizing, traveling, or coding. Copilot can cover all of your needs. Plus, Copilot has multiple different tones to fit your business self, your real self, your friend self, and your family self. Plus, Copilot lets you chat with any kind of subject. You can ask it anything, and it functions as a great alternate instead of switching between tabs to ask ChatGPT something. We now have Copilot integrated directly into Microsoft. So let's get into it. Let's sign up in Microsoft and see what this is all about. Now, I will be covering this for beginners, so even if you haven't ever used Copilot before, it's totally easy and simple, and you can use a lot of its features very easily without any hassle. So simply head on over to copilot.microsoft.com and click on sign in on the top right. Now, you're going to sign into your personal account or your school account, whichever one you prefer. And once you sign in, that is it. So one thing that I really loved about using Copilot was the fact that my school account was linked in Microsoft, and I could take my school lectures and I could summarize them. I could create, bullet points out of them. I could create meeting notes out of them. So this can be a great way for you to make sure that AI is actually enhancing your work performance and your overall betterment. So you guys can see you can ask it any type of question. It can, start responding right away. You have a few different tones or conversation styles that you can choose from. And you will see I just asked it a simple question. What should I pack for a 10-day trip in the mountains? Warm layers, waterproof jacket, merino wool socks, an extra pair of shoes, scarves, trekking poles, accessories, gear. It's actually taking its time. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Now, let's take a look at more creative. And I want this to be a creative chat. And what I am going to do is I'm going to ask it for tell me ideas about starting a business like this. And now, because I have changed the tone to be more creative, it can actually give me answers that are not going to be the same as ChatGPT. So it's going to give me some, business ideas at home with low setup costs and little to no training, graphic design, online tutoring, content writing, and I can directly click on new topic just to cancel out the answer, and I can proceed with a new question. Now, you guys can see you actually have a lot of variability in Copilot. Copilot is not a AI-based tool that will only respond to your text, but it also has a designer. So Copilot can let you create anything you want as well. So I want to create a cat running in gardens like this. And then what it's going to do is it's going to actually take my prompt and you can actually start creating images. You guys can see this is an image of a flamingo running on streets while listening to music. And you have some more options as well. But you can just open this up directly. And once you open up your image, you can, choose whichever one you want. I'm going to get an image of a cat like this. And this is our cat image. I really like it. This is really adorable. And I can click on the image over here and click on download to download my created image. Now, other than that, you guys will see that Microsoft Designer actually provides you with some text. So if you want to modify this image, you can tell me what to change. For example, you can ask me to change the color, size, or shape of any element and more. Now, one thing a lot of people don't realize is that they can actually generate their logos over here as well. So can you design an image of a logo of a business called Durden? It's a retail clothing store like this. Now, one thing to note is that you can also specify the elements you want to exclude in an image and you want to include. So if there's, let's say you want to exclude hats from your logo, so you can mention that before you put in your prompt. So your exclusions are already known to the Copilot AI, and it can actually build your logo or your image as accurately as possible. So let's wait for our image to be generated, and it has generated a few different images. These are actually really nice. Now, let's say I like it. Can you make it in light pink and white and simplify the design a little? Oh yeah. So I am going to wait for the newer version, and in this way you can, further get the ideal logo that you wanted. Now, one thing to note that Microsoft Designer is actually powered by DALL-E, and DALL-E in itself is a paid tool. So just by using Microsoft, it can actually save you a lot of money using Copilot as your tool of choice. So let's wait for this to be generated, and then I'll talk to you guys about a very unique assistant that you're probably not gonna find anywhere else. Now, this logo is actually really cute. I think it looks pretty nice, and you can customize this further however you want. Now, one more tool that is so different that you probably haven't seen this before is a cooking assistant. Now, Copilot has brought you with a cooking assistant, and you can ask it to, you can put in the ingredients that you have at home, and you can ask it, what can I make? Can you tell me how to make Alfredo pasta like this? And then it's going to give you a recipe. It's going to tell you how you can cook that. And you can also ask it, hey, I don't have this, can I alternate it for something else? And it can tell you alternates as well. This can be a great way to cook because instead of having to scour through tens and hundreds of recipes for finding the perfect recipe, you can directly use this type of chat AI or Copilot GPT, whatever you might want to call it, and it can help you in finding the best balance between all of your requirements and your limitations. Now, other than that, they also have two more GPTs or Copilot GPTs. You have the vacation planner and the fitness trainer. So how, let's say I want to ask it how much protein do I need? It's going to ask me a counter question, or the standard amount of protein. What would that be? Protein intake for fitness. So it depends on several factors such as your weight, age, activity, and fitness goals as well. And you guys can see it's coding some data as well. Now, if I go into the vacation planner, I can attend a music festival abroad. That's my goal. So now it's going to tell me what type of music do I want, what are the current happenings, and it's going to ask you which country or region you would like to visit, and a few follow-up messages as well. So in this way, you can bring your ideas to life. You can bring every little idea, thought that you have into a balanced and well-constructed response. So you can even do funny riddle. The riddle is, what has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock. So that's cute, and you can do a lot more with Copilot AI. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.